Hi, welcome back to the channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we are going to see the one of the algorithm called familiar called the Apriori algorithm. So one of the algorithm as of till today till existing today, we are going to see the fundamental what is there and how it work and with applications. It's intro video only. Whenever you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So let's go for and we can implement Apriori algorithm with the help of Python also later which we discuss. So as of this one of the algorithm uses frequent item sets to generate association rules and it is designed to work on the database that contain transactions. So what you can do with association rule? Here you can do generally determines how strongly or how weakly two objects are connected. And moreover, here the algorithm always uses breadth first search and breadth breadth first search and hash tree to calculate the item set association efficiently. Moreover, it is iterative process for finding the frequent item sets from the large database. Now it is what is a frequent item set? Frequent items are nothing but these are items whose support is greater than threshold value or user specified minimum support. It means what? If A and B are the frequent items together, then individually A and B should also be the frequent item set. Let's say example. Suppose there are two transactions. A is equal to assume that 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to 3 5. Then these two transactions 2 and 3 are the frequent item set. See here, he is appearing here, he is appearing here. This is the general meaning of frequent item set. Let's go for working method of Apriori algorithm. So if you want to understand deeply about the concept, you should know how it works and support. Here you can say step number 1. Determine the support of item sets in the transactional database and select the minimum support and confidence. And step number 2 saying take all the supports in the transactions with the higher support value than the minimum selected support value. And step number 3 says find all the rules of these subsets that have higher confidence value than the threshold or minimum confidence. At last, step number 4 saying sort the rules as the decreasing order of lift here. So these are general steps for understanding the Apriori algorithm. And once again repeating, if found you can implement the Apriori algorithm with machine learning, with the help of Python and so on, and applications of Apriori algorithm. You can say education sector, medical sector, forest sector, e-commerce sector, at last office sector. Wherever you want, you can go for the Apriori algorithm and easily implement. So this is just introduction about the Apriori algorithm. Remaining we will see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.